Do you know what is the most important time in the development of wild animals? That was the time when they were still young weaklings with no fighting strength. Even a high percentage could not survive. So what are the dangers to young babies face? Follow along to find out. As a beast that stands at the top of its food chain, the lion cub has a very low survival rate. Right from the moment they are born, they have to face countless challenges coming from the mother lion and her companions. Lions can be said to be a wonderful mother, but there are times when they are more ruthless than ever. For the weak and unhealthy cubs, the mother lion will always watch to see if they can survive or not. As this lion cub had injured his leg and was refused by his mother to breastfeed because he knew that the injured cub would have a hard time surviving. Abandoning her cubs is one way the mother lion often does to protect the remaining cubs. Even a mother lion can eat her cubs if she feels that they are behaving strangely or feels that the cubs cannot survive. As we may feel that this act is cruel, but in the animal kingdom, it seems obvious. As disease is also a cause of the lion cubs facing danger. As we see the poor lion cub paralyzed in both legs and unable to move. Despite trying very hard to follow the herd without success. And in the end, the poor lion cub was still abandoned. As the mother lion is forced to abandon the cubs that are not able to survive, so that they can focus on the healthy ones, as it is a way to help the herd grow even more stronger. As lion cubs also face numerous dangers from other predators. As this leopard was stalking the lion cub while the mother lion was hunting, and it attacked one of the cubs and ate it. As it can be seen that facing an adult lion, the leopard is no match, but they are no threat to the young lion cubs. As the predators often tend to kill the young of the enemy to reduce the competition. As lions also remove the leopard cubs if they caught, but not for hunting purposes. As it is also difficult for the leopard cub to survive in this harsh environment, when countless predators surround it. As although not purely carnivores, but baboons still capture the young of other predators. As this baby leopard has been abducted by a baboon, it was thought that it would release this poor baby. But no, after playing it a good board, it immediately eliminated the enemy's baby. As the lion cub was also taken away by the baboons, it carried its poor prey up the tree, and its actions were quite confusing when it had left the prey alive. It takes its prey and then runs from the tree to tree, and it doesn't need to worry about the mother lion coming, because for them, the tree is the safest place. As cheetah cubs are also not immune to the attack from other hunters. This cheetah cub is being fiercely attacked by an adult leopard. While the mother cheetah, despite the danger, to rescue the young, but it failed, as it was still defeated by the power of the leopard. As baby hyenas also do not escape fate before the onslaught of more powerful predators, and that is the lion. As the lion's attack on a hyena cub is not due to food problems, but simply that they just want to eliminate one enemy. That is why we rarely see the lions eating hyenas or other carnivores. As a giant animal that is the elephant is also not immune to the dangers of nature. It's simply a matter of climate and weather. As this baby elephant has almost crushed when trying to swim through the fast-flowing floodwaters, but luckily it escaped. As above are the dangerous moments that the lion cub has to face in its adult period. What do you think? Please leave a comment down below to let us know. And today's video is here to end. Please press the like button and subscribe to receive the latest notifications about our videos. And for now, goodbye and see you again.
Hello everyone who is watching the Wildlife channel. We will help you to admire the most realistic images of the animal world, with hunting or the fiery battles that are shown through special footage. You will be able to relax while watching the Wildlife after a hard working hours. It's not only that, but you can also learn more about the behavior and the survival ability of the rare animals that only a few people know about, or that all creatures from the land to the ocean to the birds in the sky. As an addition, we also share the latest videos for you to explore the natural world, useful materials and knowledge that are also accurately presented by us through sharp images and vivid sound. If you want to learn about the animal world or you love them, then our channel is the best choice. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so that you don't miss any videos. Thank you all for coming to our channel, and we wish you a pleasant experience.